Look at a couple of the problems in the homework, starting with number 4. So these are vector problems, number 4 on down. And so what you have to think about with vector problems is that you have to combine like terms. So in number 4, I have 4i and 6i. Those are like terms. 3j is not a like term. So let's think of something similar to this. Let's say if I had a is 2i plus 6j, and then I had b, let's say, is 6i plus 12j, and they told me that c is going to be a plus b. So then I'm just going to add a and b. So I'm going to have 2i plus 6j, that's my a value, plus 6i plus 12j. And so then my like terms would be 2i and 6i, which become 8i. And then I have 6j and 12j, which become 18j. So that's my final answer. These are vectors. So I'm going to have a vector that is 8 units long in the I direction, and then I'm going to have a vector that's 18 units long in the j direction. And so I can do things outside of addition and subtraction. I can multiply these two together. And so if I multiply the vectors here as they are, actually let's simplify the multiplication so it matches the problem better. Let's say we're going to do this, and now we're going to do what is a times b. So we'll say that some vector c is a times b. Well, then I'm going to have 2i plus 6j times 6i. And we're going to distribute the values into the parentheses and combine our like terms. And so basically the thing with vectors is it's exactly like what you're doing. And actually I wouldn't have a 6j. We'd need to have both i's. So let's call it 2i and 6i, because that's like the homework problem. But the key is really to see you're doing the arithmetic. You're just keeping the i's there. So if I had 2i times 6i, that would be 12i. So you don't get I squared because it's a vector. So my vector C is 12i. The I is just a direction that it's going in. So there's your multiplication. So for all of these, you would want to just do the arithmetic, but keep out the I value.